To change the ear tips of your OnePlus Buds 4 is simple. All you need to do is simply remove the buds from the case, and then from here you're going to grab the ear tip that you wish to remove and just open it up like so. So it looks something like that. Then you'll just press in and then drag out to remove the ear tip. Do the same thing on the other side. So just to bring it out so it's floured like so. Press in, drag out, and it should be successfully removed. Once you've removed them, you can then go ahead and grab your other ear tips, whether they're smaller or bigger or even just another color. And all you need to do is simply align the ear tip that you wish to add with the edge like so. So just align it and then snap it into place. Once it's been put in place, just bring down this bud like so, and you'll have successfully changed the ear tip. So you can do the same thing on the other end. Just put it on and then bring it down, and there you have it. You've successfully changed the ear tips of your OnePlus Buds 4. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.